have you. I don't want you to have anyone. And if you don't want me, there's something wrong with them, right?
Hey friends, today we are decorating my kitchen for fall. Just giving you a quick overview of what it looks like before I start decorating. And we're going to start with these pictures up here on the wall when you come into the kitchen from the garage. Hubby's going to take them down, and of course he is going to put it up for the most part. I'll help him out just a little bit. But I saw this picture in Hobby Lobby and fell in love with it and just had to have it. Pumpkins are going to be the theme for my decorations in my house this year. You can see hubby was very pleased with his work. Okay, moving on to the island. This is the kind of makeshift centerpiece we had. It was just like a functional thing, just a little bit of decor, the lemons there. And these candles are like from all over the house and somehow wound up on the island. I don't know, guys, but anyway, I'm cleaning it up with some of that lemon Mrs. Myers. At this point, I still hadn't found the apple cider or any of the fall scents of the Mrs. Myers, but I did find the Method apple cider or apple something. I'm not sure what it was, but it was the Method apple fall scent. So you'll see me probably using that throughout the video as well. This little stand here I got from Hobby Lobby as well. You're going to see a lot of my stuff came from Hobby Lobby. This little basket and these pumpkins also came from Hobby Lobby, but I did get a lot of stuff from Dollar Tree as well. So now I'm just going to make my centerpiece for the kitchen. Yeah, so just kind of watch along. So the centerpiece is all done, and this is how it turned out. I think it came out absolutely fabulous. Again, this is my first time decorating for fall, and I really didn't have any idea of what I was going to do, but I knew that I wanted pumpkins as my theme, and so this was simple but still yet really nice. Let's move on to the top of the refrigerator. As you can see, these are the normal decorations we have up normally during the year, and we're going to just take those down and put up something a little bit more festive. By the way, I'm sorry that the screen is slanted. Something's going off my tripod and I really need to get a new one, so I apologize that the picture is not in frame correctly. This is a little wine bottle opener set that I found in the pantry, and I needed something to raise that gather sign just a little bit higher, and oddly enough the box was the perfect color. As you can see, it's like this wine fall color, and it went great with the sign and giving the elevation and just the whole fall decor.
You are my world in every place. It's the things that you do, and it's the smile on your face.
Now it's time to do the serious part of the cleaning, the dishes. Big fun, right?
Without your love, I am out of place. And without you, I am just a trace. I love you with all of my heart. Together forever, never to part. I wanna be with you always.
At this point, I'm just cleaning the stuff that came off of my dining room table because I am getting ready to start doing that video right after this one. So these are just items from off of my table. I wound up washing everything that was on the table that normally sits up there. So just giving it a nice wash so that we can redress the table. You guys, I got these baking pans at Bed Bath & Beyond. The whole set was $10 and I thought that was such a good buy. It's a generic brand, but they all are like with the coating on them, non-stick. So I went ahead and washed those because we're gonna have a nice little treat before the video is over. Moving on to the countertops. I'm just going to clean off the countertops and the backsplash, give them a good wipe down, and get ready to put the decor. There goes the method cleaner that I was talking about. Yeah, so you're going to see me start using that, I think, throughout the rest of the videos. I kind of put that Mrs. Meyer's lemon stuff away for the time being. So I call myself hanging up this pumpkin sign with some command strips after I, wipe down the walls and everything, the backsplash. And funny enough, it decided that it did not want to stay up on the wall. And just wait for it, it falls. So I just left it where it was and decided to put another mini pumpkin right beside it. I'm just going to put a couple of finishing touches just around the kitchen. Everything is still not finalized. Like I said in the sneak peek video, you're going to see changes. Even though you're watching this video and you're seeing me decorate, we still made changes as the weeks went on. We just either didn't like what we had up or we were able to go and buy more items just like this one, which came from Target. It's just a rust colored dishcloth. I was looking for something in particular that color. And then we also went to Hobby Lobby, and we got this wreath. And I think the wreath is so pretty. What do you guys think? This little area over here is like a little credenza type of deal where I keep my fruits and my vegetables that I may pick from my garden or that I may just bring home from the store. This floral arrangement is the same exact floral arrangement that you saw on the island. I made 2 of them. And I added some pumpkins and some gourds and just trying to make it a little bit pretty. Now it's time for our sweet treat. We're making some pumpkin cookies. These are absolutely delicious, you guys. I'm going to go ahead and preheat my oven to 350 as you see here, and we're going to pop these in. They come in, this pack comes in a quantity of 12 big cookies, and this is how they turned out afterwards. Y'all, don't they look so yummy?
If we never met.
So you know your girl had to take a bite. They were just so delicious. And have my cup of tea. Y'all, this is how everything turned out after it was all said and done. I was super, super pleased with the way it turned out. Even though it was a simple little project, little DIY, I really enjoyed it and I think it came out really, really pretty. What do you guys think? So I wanted to show you guys what it looked like with the candles lit, so I'm doing that right now. But this is the end of the video, you guys, and I really, really hope that you enjoy as much as I enjoyed putting this all together. This was my first time decorating for fall, and I think everything came out really, really nice. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, so you'll be able to see the next video, which would be the dining room and the living room. So make sure you're subscribed and you have your post notifications on so you don't miss the next upcoming videos, and also the finale video, which will be the full home tour of all the fall decor. So I want to thank you guys again for watching, and I love and appreciate you all. Happy fall, y'all.
I'm hoping for some brighter days, 'cause I'm falling in the snow, it's getting me deep. You make some kind of fire.